Many times, all of us are doing so much of workout, so much of hard work, but we are not getting proper results. What is the reason for that? Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to share you 5 mistakes which you guys are doing on daily basis that is hampering your fitness journey. So, let's get started. Two, 3, 4, 5, and this is the number one mistake, focusing only on bodybuilding. What you should rather focus on is a complete body development that includes your cardiovascular, your skeletal muscles improvement. So you cannot just focus on bodybuilding. What you should rather focus on doing physical activities like going for a walk or going for a running. Either you can do yoga, or you can go for a hiking or do a cycling. See, there are multiple physical activities which helps in keeping us healthy, right? Doing dancing or running or walking improve our cardiovascular system. So this kind of workout is good, but not again on daily basis. So if you want to remain healthy, focus on complete body development. This is the number one. 3, 4, 5. Again, this is very common mistake all of us are doing. Not doing enough of stretching. See, stretching doesn't matter if you're doing exercise or not. Stretching is very crucial if you want to keep your muscles relaxed as well as flexible. Yoga is one part of it. So you should always take out time, 10 to 15 minutes, doing proper kind of stretching, which is going to help you improve your muscles, relax them, relax the stress which is happening in your muscles because of workout, because of your busy schedule. So find out some time doing some or other kind of stretching on daily basis. One of the very common mistake all of us are doing on daily basis is eating all of these packed and processed food. Biscuit, Maggi, cake, cookies, all of these things are damaging our body some or other way, because these contain lot of salt, lot of sugar, lots of baking powder, lots of maida, and God knows what many things. Plus, on top of that, these are very highly rich in calories, guys, and you don't need this to put in your body, right? That is the reason even after doing so much of workout, so much of dieting, you are not getting desired results. And even though you are getting, you are bouncing back because you are eating these crappy foods on daily basis. So what you need to do is throw them away. Don't keep it at your home at all. But what you need is this: complete fresh vegetables and fruits, which is really very colorful, really very tasty, and they are going to give you all the nutrients your body needs on daily basis. As I mentioned in a lot of my videos, your body needs 90 nutrient daily basis, right? 90 nutrients your body cells need, and these kind of fresh vegetables will give you all the nutrient. So you need to eat as much as you can. So focus on this. Now, even though I'm eating so much of fresh fruits and vegetables, I'm not pretty much sure how much of nutrient this little small guava contains, right? Because the way farming is done, the way lots of chemicals, lots of pesticides are used on daily basis, so I'm not pretty much sure how much of nutrient this one actually contains. And I want to keep my body on a best shape, so I always focus on consuming multivitamin and minerals tablet, which is packed with lot of nutrients. It is going to give you all the nutrient your body needs. The best part is it is completely pure veg. Remember, it's completely pure veg, plant derived. That is the best part, because if you're consuming it, you are going to get all the nutrient, and that is going to get absorbed to your cells. Many times we get all the low quality cheap products in the market which is not that healthy. Even though they have written multivitamins, but they are not going to give that much advantage to your body. So Herbalife Nutrition Multivitamin Mineral Tablet is one of the best, amazing. It contains good quality vitamin A, beta carotene for your eyes, vitamin C for immunity, vitamin D, vitamin E. Vitamin D is very crucial. As I mentioned in my video, we are not going out because of the lockdown since last 3 months in our home, and this one contains the vitamin D as well as vitamin B12. I've seen so many people taking vitamin B12 injections. This one contains all of these things: folic acid, biotin, B2, calcium, potassium, iodine, chromium. There's so many things in that. I'm very happy. I'm consuming this since last 5 years, including my parents. They are also consuming, and they are using amazing. They're getting amazing results throughout the day. They are so fit. They have lost around 12 kg. My mother is really fit. She's able to do all the yoga, walking everyday basis. So this is one of the very good nutrient you should actually consume and give to your parents and your family members also. I would recommend this one. Now point number 4, which is focusing on the amount of water you are consuming on daily basis. Now I consume a lot of amount of water. This is a 2-liter bottle which I am keeping in my desk, and पूरे दिन भर I focus कि कम से कम minimum 3 to 4 liter water at least I should be able to consume. You know, this water is responsible for keeping your body in a proper condition. आपके बॉडी का जो टेम्परेचर रेगुलेशन का काम ये पूरा का पूरा वहां पे पानी करता है. प्लस रिमेंबर, आप कितना भी प्रोटीन खा रहे हैं, कितना भी विटामिन मिनरल्स यू आर कंज्यूमिंग, दैट इज ओनली गोइंग टू गो इन योर सेल्स प्रॉपरली इफ यू आर हैविंग एनफ ऑफ वाटर. प्लस आप जितना भी कचरा निकालते हैं ना हम लोग एवरी मॉर्निंग सुबह, वो सब भी हैपेंस बिकॉज वी आर कंज्यूमिंग एनफ ऑफ वाटर. सो दिस इज वेरी क्रूशियल फॉर यू गाइज, because I remember when I was working in IT firm, time नहीं मिलता था because of all the meetings. I used to have hardly 2 liter of water, and that used to give me constipation, acidity, and so much of problem. When I started consuming good amount of water, I started feeling so fresh, so energetic, so amazing. Plus my digestion has improved a lot. I am sleeping so in a good way. My body temperature is always in a very good condition. Plus my toxins are going out in an amazing way. I am feeling fresh, active every time. So remember to consume as much of water you can every day, minimum 3 to 4 liters, and teach this important crucial point to everyone in your family. So here we are to the last point, last but not the least. Remember, your brain controls your body in a very good way. So you need to keep your brain sharp, focused, and in good state. And plus every day we are getting so much of stress, so much of pressure. Our brain also need nutrient. So what is the nutrient for our brain? I am going to show you. Now this is my study table with all the nutrient which my brain needs every day. This is packed with motivation, focus, dedication, efforts from so many people which they have shared their journey, how to be successful, how to be focused, how they can improve themselves. Now these are not motivation, guys. This is not motivation. This is self-development, self-improvement, so that you are feeding your brain with positivity, happiness, which is going to help you move ahead. Many times we are getting so much negativity in news, newspaper, with the people surrounding us. They are talking about all the negative stuffs. But if you want to keep your brain sharp, if you want to keep yourself happy, this is the secret. Start reading books, because this is going to push you, this is going to teach you how to stay focused, how to stay happy, and how to become calm and a better person. If you want to be successful, not only in fitness is just one aspect. If you want to be successful in everything, you have to read books to improve your brain. By the way, as per the research, the more you read, the more your brain becomes sharp. The brain derived neurotech factor, which is responsible for keeping your brain healthy, the more you study, that amount keep on increasing. So start reading this on daily basis. So guys, I'm done from my side. These are the 5 points which I've shared with you. These are 5 mistakes जो मैं भी पहले किया करता था, and I have seen so many people keep on repeating this mistake, and वहाँ पे every day what they say is मैं इतना मेहनत करता हूँ, I am not getting results. So remember, if your foundation is not right, no matter how much hard work you are doing, you are not going to get results. Focus on following these 5 steps every day. No matter what the situation is, no matter what the scenario is, if you're following these 5 steps, you are going to get results and you are going to be successful in every field. Start following it, and make sure to keep on subscribing to our channel for informative and educational stuffs. Have a great time. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Do subscribe. Thank you.